Can you believe that Malawi, the president of Malawi, in a secret deal with the Israeli government, has sent off their young people to go pick farm fruits and vegetables? Do you see the corruption? They gave him $60 million. And these poor people obviously want to work, but the deal of them working is like they're going to get $1,000 a month. And out of that $1,000, they have to pay for their airfare and processing and their boarding and living. Does that remind you of what we do here in the U.S. to our farm workers? It is so disgusting that these so-called democracies, of which we are being told day after day that Israel is the only democracy in the Middle East, will go into Africa, pay off the presidents, and get black people to work for white people. Because that's what Israel is, a white ethno-state. I cannot believe this. I really and truly cannot believe it. In the 21st fucking century, we're still going into Africa to enslave people, and the African leaders of some of these countries are just as bad as the Western democracies. It is absolutely disgusting.